Metro Pacific Investment of Mr. Manny Pangilinan is acquiring a coconut product manufacturer and exporter, Axilum Resources. So they're one of the biggest coconut exporters sa buong mundo. Alam mo ba, for 2021, Philippines is the second biggest exporter ng coconut sa buong mundo. So, di ba, ang lakas ng coconut industry natin. So, this is good na, di ba, may improve pa ni MPI yung coconut industry. MPI will buy 34% of Axilum Resources for 5.3 billion pesos. So, ito yung move ni MPI or Metro Pacific Investment para sa kanilang agri-place. Ito yung ilan sa mga products ni Axilum Resources. And sila rin yung major supplier ng Vita Coco. Here's a photo of Mr. MVP and Mr. Romeo Chan of Axilum Resources. Ngayon, ang mga businesses na ni MPI is syempre toll roads, sa water, energy, transportation, healthcare, real estate, at ngayon meron na rin siyang agriculture.